poaching eggs. Remember, your dish will be as good as your ingredients. That's why I have got beautiful fresh free-range eggs here. They're organic. Lovely. Now, very important to poach eggs successfully, they need to be fresh so that the albumin, which is the egg white, remains adhered to the egg yolk to avoid all those wispy bits in a saucepan. And even though they are really fresh, there will still be a little bit of excess egg white. So this is the way that I poach my eggs. Crack the shell and empty the egg into a bowl and then into a sieve. And there will be, even with really fresh eggs, a little bit of excess egg white. I can see these are quite fresh. There's not a lot draining out, and I'm quite happy with that. So now I put it into the bowl. Beautiful egg, that one. And let's do a second one. Do not want boiling water. I've brought the water to the boil. Now let's turn it down to a simmer. Just a few little bubbles coming up. I have no salt or vinegar in here. People usually do that when the egg isn't fresh to keep the egg white from spreading too far. You've got fresh eggs, you don't need the vinegar or salt. You don't even want the flavour of the vinegar anyway. So let's create just a light vortex going round and round with your spoon and drop them in one at a time. One, stir, and the second one, stir. I'll just turn up the little heat just to make sure there's a simmer. We want regular little bubbles going, and you do not want to boil the egg. They're looking rather happy in there. Really good tip is to cook multiple poached eggs, especially if you have guests coming over. You can do this the day before. Yes, the day before. So you just poach them, take them out, plunge them into cold water, and just leave them in that bowl of cold water in the fridge overnight. And when you're ready the next morning, you bring them out and with a spoon put them into warm water for about a minute, and they will still be lovely and soft in the middle to serve. Okay, so that's our 2 minutes. Let's have a look. They should be just a little bit soft with a bit of give. That's actually quite soft. Quite soft. I would say, because they are large eggs, maybe another 10-15 seconds. In the meantime, let's get a plate with a paper towel, that is to remove the excess of the water. Let's butter some toast and let's get ready for our breakfast. Just drain off the excess water. Beautiful poached egg. Onto your toast with some baby spinach. Delicious for breakfast or any time of day. Great for entertaining if you follow my tips. And remember, practice makes perfect. Enjoy.